Innovation for waste minimization.
This is a BECCA model S100M manual solvent spray gun cleaner. It is made in the USA. The features include a switch for turning the flow brush on or off, a switch for selecting either used or clean solvent, a foot pedal to activate the flow brush or power pistol, a flow brush with stiff bristles and adjustable fluid flow control, a power pistol with adjustable fluid flow control, a BECCA solvent-resistant, power-clean, compressed air quick disconnect with adjustable airflow control, an air regulator with water trap and shutoff valve, 2 optional 5-gallon solvent cleaning solution containers, one for used solvent and one for clean solvent, laminated poster with spray gun cleaning instructions in both English and Spanish, an optional filtration recycling system is available to extend the life of the solvent for reuse up to 8 times its normal life. Also available with the filtration recycling system is a 10-gallon stainless steel tank with sight gauge. As with all BECCA Solvent Series spray gun cleaners, the E100M can be part of a BECCA combo, which includes the 3-gallon or 6-gallon solvent saver recycler to distill the dirty fluid for reuse.
Innovation for waste minimization.